We are approaching the Greenville Supercharger. I like this one. It's at a hotel. There's a lot to do. By the time you get here, it'll be different. They've been doing road construction now for like, feels like 5 years that I've noticed, but who knows. But like every time we come here, the approach is different, so we'll speed this up. It'll be more of a guide. Because obviously once you get close enough, they can't change that, but the highway approach every time is different. Okay, while we're here, before we speed it back up again, we've got a lot of shopping around here. We've got Starbucks, Trader Joe's. I assume that's the Trader Joe's grocery and not the knockoff thing that we've got here in the southeast. We've got Target. And then as we make this turn, there'll be a lot more to choose from. The entrance into the shopping center may change, but the entrance into the supercharger should be about the same. It is a little bit confusing, and if you do it wrong, you'll end up a lot away from, like, not a lot, like great quantity, but literally you'll end up in the wrong parking lot, and you'll have to come out and do it again. So hopefully I don't make that same mistake, but if I do, you'll see where to do it right. Here we go. Okay, so off to the left, you've got Whole Foods, some more shopping. On the right, you've got Cracker Barrel, and a couple hotels. Then, you've got the hotel that we want to go to, which is not this furniture store. It's also not the Residence Inn by Marriott. Not the Homewood Suites. Here's where it gets tricky. The pin is directly off to our right, so if we make this right, we're wrong. So don't turn here. What we want is the Hilton Garden Inn. So don't turn here. Turn here. Look at that, Model 3. All right. This one is usually pretty swift, very straightforward. We've got all the stalls are together, so it's a traditional layout. So 4A is next to 4B, is next to 3B, which is next to 3A. Here we go. He's over there on both ones, so it doesn't matter where we go, as long as we park in the lines. Okay, I don't need to see out the front window anymore. I don't need to speed that up. Alright. Once you've seen it, the restroom here is pretty straightforward. So what we're going to do is switch to the GoPro, do the outside stuff in the rain, and then we will do a time lapse to show you how to get to the restrooms. You can actually see, no you can't, I'm lying to you. That hallway is not the right hallway. I was gonna say you can see them down this hallway here, but it's the hallway next to that one. Either way, it's real quick. We'll show you on the GoPro. We'll be right back. So as I said, you got traditional layout here. You got 4B, it's next to 4A, it's next to 3B. We're on 3A here. Speeds are usually pretty quick. I think what I'm gonna start doing, rather than showing you guys the speed I'm getting, is just showing you my account from TeslaFi, because that's a lot more objective than whatever you see on the screen. The shared spots are 2 hours here, so that's kind of interesting. You get anywhere from 10 minutes to 120 minutes. There is a trash can directly attached to the supercharger. Always kudos for that, so you don't have to go inside if you don't need to. So you need just a 10-minute top off. In case I forget to look at the TeslaFi stats, we are looking at, look at that, 114 kilowatt. Not bad. All right, so next we're gonna do is switch to the time lapse and show you how to get to the restrooms. It's pretty straightforward, but if you gotta go and you can see this ahead of time, you'll just kind of remember. It's nice, I like it. Be right back. So this is the Greenville Supercharger at the Hilton Garden Inn outside Spartanburg in Greenville. So with this one, it's unique. My friend Brandon and I, we agree that it's too far from everything for a comfortable walk. We've both caught people running back to get here before the timer expired. I'll be right back. So, sorry about the phone call. I really wish that Tesla would change the incoming phone call notification. It's terrifying. It's like, hey, alert, alert! You have an incoming call. Do you want to take it or not? Anyway, so I'm not sure where I was in that, but yes, so yeah, my friend Brandon and I, we agree that the walking distance is a bit excessive, and we've both caught people running to catch their cars before they ran out of idle time. If you bring a bicycle or Segway style scooter, or if you are a runner, it is not a problem. The Whole Foods, the shopping, everything is right there. But what I'd still recommend, just like most superchargers, is you do all that stuff before or after the charge. But here, at least, there's something to do. I mean, so many of the places there's nothing to do while you have the 24-hour supercharger. Well, all the superchargers are 24 hours, but while you have 24-hour host. So you can go to the restroom late night. You can be 3 a.m. and all you gotta do is wait for somebody to unlock the door and you can go in and use the restroom. And if everything is not closed, like if you're coming in business hours, there's still stuff to do. So I'm gonna give this one, normally we would give it probably a 7.5, but they're gonna get their extra half point back with the trash can. It's generally not overflowing. We've caught them a couple times. I don't know if some owners have overfilled it or if somebody's forgotten the checklist. Kudos to their new overhaul, their new redesign, renovation to the lobby and restroom areas, and the friendly staff. I love coming here when this is a stop that's scheduled for me. So hopefully you like it too. That's the Greenville Supercharger here in Greenville, South Carolina. Also, this completes North Carolina and South Carolina superchargers for us until the new ones open up. We're still waiting on Charleston, South Carolina, and there's one that was just permitted somewhere in between here and Hickory. Huh? I say that. I'll look at the map again. It's permitted. When it gets finished, I'll go up and we'll do a review. Well, that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the channel out. Thank you.